Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a gradient to any section on your website. So in this case we're going to add a gradient on this yellow block where this image is. I want this yellow section to fade into the white, so it's like a smooth transition, not this block color. So once you locate where you want to do that, go to edit page, and then you end up on your page. Then you go to the row settings or section settings that your background's applied on, wherever you've added the background into. In this case I've put it into the section right at the back because I've got content sitting on top of that image. Then you go to overlay. You want to activate an overlay. So here you've got the option to add a normal flat overlay which will cover the whole image, or transparent, or you can make it really dark, white, anything you like. But in this case we want a gradient because I want it to fade in to the background. So when you're adding a gradient you want to choose one side to be transparent. So I want the bottom to be transparent because I don't want any color where the dog's face is, and I might move that up a bit just to bring the transparency a bit more higher and just start the fade up top. So you can move that in also, so you've got a bit of a play here. You can also add as much color as you want, just so you guys know you can do a lot with this, but we're just going to stick to this for now because I just want to blend the background in. So I think that should be fine. I'll leave it like that. You save your changes and preview, and until you get it right you can just keep adjusting how high or low you want your fade to start. So I think that's great. That's worked really well. It's faded quite nicely and it blends into the background really nicely, and not much fade is sitting on top of the dog's face, which I didn't want. I could even keep going and moving it probably a bit higher if I wanted to, but yeah, that's how you do it.